So what I got here is a Toro leaf blower. It's the electric one, and it's the Toro Super Blower Vac. It's electric, and I just wanted to show my impressions of it. A not particularly exciting video, but for those of you who are watching this, it's probably because you've looked this up and you're interested in electric leaf blower. I have a popular tree over my deck, and it just makes a complete mess in the fall and in especially the spring, and it makes these little seeds that look like little caterpillars, these furry caterpillars, and they're just real pain to clean up, especially if it gets wet. So hopefully to have this, we'll use it as a vacuum to get rid of them, and it just makes it so much easier. Anyways, so my impressions of this so far is that it works really well, and I just wanted to show you the configuration of it. So right now it's in blower mode, and I'll append video at the end to show you how it works, but it's got a two setting switch, so low and high. And the way it comes apart, it's got an impeller on the bottom here, and it acts as a blower and as a vacuum. So this comes apart, so this protector for this impeller here. So this impeller is plastic. Some of the more expensive ones can be metal, but this one's plastic. I think it's a nylon of some sort. So it's probably pretty tough. Oh, it's just grinding leaves. And then here, this attachment comes off. And what this has is this blower attachment has a reducer. Hopefully this is focusing in. So it reduces it down so you can leave it wide, or if you really want to get into the cracks in my application on the deck, this really helps for that. So that's that part. And then the motor itself plugs in right here, and it's just got the motor. It's got a handle that you can hold it like this, which is pretty comfortable. And then it has the attachment for the vacuum, and again it just attaches on the bottom in place of the blower. Got it right the first time. So once it's locked into place like that, all it does is it sucks up the leaves here, and I'll show you in the video after I'm done describing this. And then it has this really nice bag, a nice large zipper to dispose of the mulched leaves, and it does a great job mulching, so it really does compact down the leaves. And then this part fits on like that, and then it has a shoulder strap like this. So I can get in frame here, so you can hold it like that and then just suck up the leaves. So that's it. That's this leaf blower. Oops. Not particularly exciting, but for those of you who are interested, if you looked up this video, that's the impressions of this. I got this over the summer when it was on sales, when people aren't really using leaf blowers, for about 70 bucks at Home Depot. So pretty good price. I think they're normally about 100 bucks. And it's good up to 225 miles per hour according to the manual.